Hello, my name is Raquel Chaves Sánchez, and today I'm going to show you the second hands-on activity that I made for 6th grade. In this case, since we were studying about demonstrative pronouns, I'm planning to make an activity about using another topic, for example, in this case, class materials, for use demonstrative pronouns by make a small activity of hide some class material around the class, and here we have, for example, all of them in a list. As well, I have in a small bag some of the names of these class materials that I will read aloud, and they will have to find out each one of them under the desk or maybe around the corner of the class. So the first step that you have to do is to hide all of them while their students are not in the class. Later, you will instruct them to look for them and give them for around 5 minutes in order to look for them. After that, you will open the bag and take the first flower, that in this case it says sharpener, or for example glue, and you will say, okay, look for a glue. In this case, you have here in the list, and the students will go around the corner, around all the class, and maybe look for sharpener or glue. In this case, I have here. Later, after that, they will have to write with a pen or whatever you have on the board using a demonstrative pronoun in a sentence. In this case, for example, it is one glue. Then you have to use a singular demonstrative pronoun using to make a sentence on the board, and after that they have to read it aloud, and you will notice if the student have learned correctly the topic about demonstrative pronoun. So this will be the complete hands-on activity to show you and correct the students about the topic of demonstrative pronoun. Thank you.